likely. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, Wagoner County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, northeastern Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, eastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles northeast of Walnut Creek State Park to Jenks to near Beggs, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Tulsa metro area eastward through much of Wagoner County and southern Rogers County. Expected hazards include 100 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Expect considerable damage to homes and businesses. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Muskogee, Claremore, Wagoner, Owasso, Bixby, Jenks, Coweta, Catoosa, Fort Gibson, Verdigris, Choteau, Haskell, Inola, Sperry, Oakey, Porter, Taft, Tallahassee. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 224 and 260. These are potentially deadly storms. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Abandon vehicles in search of a more substantial permanent structure. Straight line winds. The following message is transmitted at the request of Jenks Police Department. The National Weather Service radar has indicated dangerous straight line winds entering in the Jenks area in the next few minutes. Please take cover immediately by going to your storm shelter or a lower level interior room without windows. This is a dangerous situation. Please take cover immediately. Take cover immediately. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, northern Pittsburgh County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, central Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Preston to 4 miles northwest of Yeager, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations in or near the path include Muskogee, McAllister, Okmulgee, Eufaula, Henrietta, Chakotah, Warner, Morris, Canton, Dewar, Purim, Schulter, Crowder, Oktah, Braggs, Boynton, Canadian, Indianola, Grayson, Council Hill. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 234 and 282. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.